Welcome. In front of me I have Oppo Reno 4Z, and today I will show you how you can check battery information on the smartphone. You have to get this application from the Play Store, Ampere. It's from Braintrap, and when you got it, just open, and here you can spot a lot of information like our battery health, technology, maximum capacity, temperature, voltage. There's also the build ID, manufacturer. When you swipe on the right, you can also find charge rate and maximum USB. I don't know what is this. It's probably charging or something like that. But let's check if it works. I'm going to plug to this smartphone charger, and it's measuring the charge rate. Let's see here. There we got the voltage. Okay, it's probably some kind of the bug. I cannot see if it works probably. It doesn't show us here the charge rate. Let's close this application and open it another time, and let's see what is going to happen right now. Okay, so as you can see, the charge rate is not working, but the other data you can easily check. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.